Hello everybody, and today I will be teaching you how to put together a Rubik's Cube, a magnet Rubik's Cube, a speed cube, after it has fallen apart, because that happens and it stinks, and you gotta fix it. So, before I start the video, if you have seen any of my other videos, please go check them out. They're really good. I just uploaded a video on how to make an awesome roller coaster in Theme Park Tycoon 2. Then, the day before that, I uploaded a video that got 197 views. Right now it has 197 views. So go watch that video after this one, because that would really help me out to get to 200 views on one video. And it got 2 hours of watch time. Pretty good. Going for 4,000. But yeah, guys, enjoy the video. Hope you like my hat. And yeah, so let's get into the video. So I'll zoom in right here on these pieces right here. So yeah. So yeah, let's get on with it. So let's go ahead and okay, boom. And then you're just gonna want to find this middle piece, and it's all gonna be connected. And you want to just make sure all these white pieces are, all the middle pieces are connected to this one. Now this one, it has a screw inside, if you can see that right there. That screw, you want to find the cap to it. So the cap is right here. You just put the cap on. This is a Moyu RS3 2020. I did a review on it, and I also used it for a video on how to solve a 3x3. Now, if you don't know how to solve a 3x3, then you can check that out after you're done, fixing your Rubik's Cube. So after this, so you go here, and you just have this axle thing on the inside, and it has all the pieces, the middle pieces, connected to it. Next step, you're going to want to find a starting point. So I'm going to start with the white on the bottom. The white on the bottom. So this is the one with the Moyu logo on it. So this is a 3x3 assembly, by the way. So yeah, 3x3. So I'm going to find the one with the logo. In this case, it's the white. I would just use the white in general. So you're going to want to find the white piece. And then you're going to want to start on with each side. So there's middle pieces, which look like this. Middle pieces, corner pieces, which have 3 colors on them. And middle pieces, which are in the middle. So next, so white. And then I'm just going to go from white to red. So you want to find the middle piece that has white and red on it. So I have it right here. This middle piece has red and white and red. So you want to find that spot where this piece would go, because you want the Rubik's Cube to be solved when you put it together, or it won't be able to get solved again. So here's red. I just line it up like that. I line it up with red and white, and I just snap it in. You have to work with it a bit. And you just do this. Boom. There it goes. Piece 1 assembled. It's just a corner. Then you're gonna want to find, oh, it falls apart sometimes. You just kind of gotta hold it together. So then you go next to one, which is blue and white. But instead of I'm gonna do the white, red, and blue corners. So where's the white, red? Here's the white, white, red, and blue corner. White, red, and blue corner piece. You're going to want to line that up. So in this case, I can line blue up with blue, red up with red, and white up with white. So I just kind of snap that in there. Oh, this is hard to film. This is hard to film because of, I don't know, just getting you guys to be able to see it and stuff. So here we go. You just kind of got to mess with it. And here I have it. And if it starts kind of falling apart like it is, just kind of try to, there, oh, both pieces fell off. Redo it. How it works. It's pretty tough. And you just kind of got it. Don't be afraid of breaking it, because these are strong and they're not gonna break. Trust me. So, oh, there it goes again. There it goes again. Ah. Okay, so this piece is kind of dangling. It's really tough to get this together, but I think with this video you watched, you can do it. Okay, it gets more stable after a while. Okay, here we go. Then, okay, next. Oh, something happened there. It does try to kind of get on, like, there we go. You just got to make sure those two pieces are snapped. Make sure all these are lined up right. Okay, then I go, here it's blue and white. Right here, blue and white. So then I find the blue and white corner piece. Blue and wait. I mean blue and white edge piece. So where is blue and white? Oh, here it is. Make sure you have all your pieces. So then I gotta kind of get this back reevaluated, and then I go here. Here, okay. It's just a bit of messing with it, and okay, after you get more in, it gets more and more stable. Cause here, there we go. Now we have a corner, and it's a lot more stable, like that. So. And then we have our first layer done of our cube. And then we have the white solved. So then you can go, if you wanted to, you could use this to solve it. Break it, make it fall apart, and then come back. But no, that's not good. That's not good for your cube at all. So next, you do the next layer. Okay, and there's only corners because the middle pieces are here. So I go, let's start on the blue. Blue and red. Oh, these are edge pieces, actually, because I'll just do blue and orange to start. These are edge pieces, actually, because just because you do them sideways. They look like they would be corner pieces when they're, the cube is assembled, but no. Okay, so red and blue. Red and blue, and then I go over here, green and red, and then one more, and I'm already doing it super fast. I already can kind of turn the cube a bit too. So then I go to, what is it? This is orange and green. And then, yeah, so that's the second layer of the cube. Now I can turn it easily. So yeah, let's go ahead and go into the next layer. So I'm gonna do, let's just find a place for this. So where does this go? Where yellow is at the top. So just grab a piece for this last layer. Okay, green, you slide this in. Because this is red, yellow, green. So I go in here and I just kind of slide it in. It's really tough. I would recommend taking out, if I can. Nah, never mind. I can't take it out right now. You have to wiggle it for a while to get that to come off. So yeah, just kind of got to be rough with it, and boom, there it is. And next one, it's red and yellow. I'm going to remind you to like and subscribe. I hope you like my content. I like making my content. It's very time consuming though, so if you want to help me out, please like and subscribe. that video that I uploaded that I talked about that got a bunch of views, it got a lot of good comments too. So I might do a shout out video. Go subscribe to Luke with 2 U's. Luke with 2 U's. Go subscribe to them. They commented and I helped them out because they had a problem with the game they were playing and I helped them out. And yeah, just go subscribe to them. They have a channel. I looked it up and they have a channel. So yeah, go check them out. Okay, yeah, but you know, my videos are awesome too. So no offense, but my videos are awesome too. So yeah, here we go. And then we're on our last few pieces here, and then, oh man, almost there, almost there. There we go, okay? Then we're gonna have to do, I'll do an edge piece, right? You know what, no, corner piece. These last pieces are hard to get in there. Line them up right, and just squish them in. I can't get it in. I just can't. Like, I know it's worked because I've done it before, but you know, for the sake of the video, I don't want the video to be 20 hours long. So, again, take my word for it. Good way of putting it together. Till next time, everybody. See ya and peace.